Let me show you two different ways how to hard reset your Huawei Watch Fit 4. So first, if everything is okay in the watch and you can get in the menu basically, so if you simply need to wipe it clean, you can very easily do that. So simply swipe down on your watch and go on your settings over here and then navigate pretty much all the way down till you see the system and updates over here, and then click over here on the reset over here essentially. So, and basically once we confirm, basically the watch will get wiped. Also, the second way is we can simply go in our phone app over here as well. So if you click in the device here in the Huawei Health app, click on your watch over here, basically as you see, also you have this option over here, restore factory settings essentially. So as you see, so let's do it. So let's nuke it essentially. As you see what happened to our watch, so it went off. I think it started to do, so let's see. Okay, so simply wait, it's doing the reset procedure basically. So see, it restarted, should boot up. And yeah, basically everything will get lost from your watch if you actually do this. Again, maybe if you have set up some kind of security basically on your watch and you can't get inside, again, simply go in this app and do it. You can reset it that way. So you see pretty much like a brand new watch now. Anyway, good luck.